Ever tried to charge your phone and the cable only works if it's bent a certain way? Or wondered why your Bluetooth headphones disconnect for no reason? These aren't just everyday problems. They're exactly the kind of issues the A+ exam wants you to understand. And today, we're covering the stuff you actually deal with. Mobile accessories, charging cables, and how these devices connect to everything else. Let's start with what you use every day. Charging ports. Modern devices mostly use USB-C. It's fast, reversible, and can handle charging, data, and even video. If you've got an Android phone or a newer laptop, it probably uses USB-C. Then there's microUSB. You've seen this on older phones, and trust me, it's notorious for failing. A+ still wants you to recognize it, because it still shows up in the field. Mini USB, even older. Think cameras, legacy gear, or stuff in dusty office drawers. So remember, USB-C is the future, microUSB is the recent past, and mini USB is obsolete but still testable. If you're dealing with iPhones or iPads, you're going to see Apple's Lightning connector. It's proprietary, so it doesn't work on anything else, but it's compact and does a lot. Data, charging, and audio all in one cable. You get questions asking which devices use which port. Lightning equals Apple, USB-C equals almost everything else, up until recently when they did the swap over to USB-C. Next, wireless connections. These are often overlooked, but they matter big time. NFC lets two devices talk when they're really close, like tap to pay or scanning a badge. Bluetooth connects wirelessly to things like headphones, speakers, keyboards, even your car. Tethering is when you connect a laptop to your phone with the USB cable to share internet. Hotspot turns your phone into a mini Wi-Fi router so other devices can connect to it. You get questions asking you to compare them, so think NFC, super short, fast pairing, Bluetooth, audio and accessories, tethering, wired internet sharing, and hotspot for wireless internet sharing. Let's talk accessories, and not just the fun ones. Stylus, not just for artists, a lot of tablets and phones rely on this for precision. Headsets, wired or Bluetooth, used for calls, meetings, or hands-free work. Speakers, usually connected via Bluetooth or USB-C, great for accessibility or group calls. Webcams, some devices don't have a good built-in camera. You need to recognize external webcam options and how they connect. This trips a lot of people up on the test. A docking station gives power, extra ports, sometimes even GPU support. It basically turns your laptop into a desktop. A port replicator just expands ports. No power, no extra features. It's cheaper and simpler. Know the difference because A+ will ask. Here's a quick one. Input tools. Trackpads are built into most laptops. Drawing pads are used for stylus input, especially in creative or technical work. TrackPoint, that's the little red nub in the middle of some keyboards. Used to move the cursor without leaving home row. Here's what you need to walk away with. Know your cables. USB-C, microUSB, Lightning. Understand connection types. Bluetooth, tethering, and NFC. Be able to match accessories to their function. And don't forget the difference between a dock and a port replicator. If this helped you, hit that like button and drop a comment if there's anything you want me to cover in more detail. Next up, in episode 3, we're going to be covering mobile device network connectivity. We're just getting started. This is HackByte, breaking down tech one byte at a time.